In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up and design a Shopify store. To get started, open your browser and go to Shopify. If you have already signed in, you can continue right from your dashboard. If you are not signed in yet, make sure you log in first so you can access the tools for building your store. This is the main place where you will manage every part of your storefront, from the design to the products that customers will see. Once you are on your Shopify home screen, look for the area that relates to your store's front end. You will see options that control different parts of your business. Next, click Online Store. This section is specifically where you customize how your store looks and functions for visitors. It also includes your theme settings and the page layout options that shoppers interact with. Now that you are inside the online store area, you need to open your theme editor. Find the theme you are using and click Edit Theme. This will take you into the design workspace, where you can preview changes and adjust the layout without affecting your store's appearance in a confusing way. The theme editor is designed to be easy, and it helps you see what customers will experience as you make updates. After the theme editor opens, you can customize your store design. Spend a moment reviewing the layout that is currently shown. Look at elements like the header area, the homepage sections, and any featured areas that draw attention. At this stage, your goal is to align the design with your brand. You can adjust styling and section content so your store looks professional and consistent. Take your time here, because the theme is the foundation of the overall customer experience. As you customize, remember that good store design is about clarity. Customers should be able to find products quickly, understand what you sell, and feel confident about the look and feel. While you are making design adjustments, keep an eye on the preview so you can confirm that changes display correctly. If something does not look right, you can continue adjusting until it matches your vision. When you are happy with the design basics, the next step is adding your products. Go back to the appropriate product management area within Shopify and begin entering your items. This is where your store truly comes to life, because the storefront will not have anything to show without products. Make sure you plan what you want to sell, so you can add them in an organized way. After adding your products, you will want to add product images, prices, and descriptions. These details matter because they directly influence how customers understand your items. For images, choose clear photos that show the product well. If customers cannot easily see what they are buying, it can reduce trust and increase questions. Next, enter the price for each product. Pricing should be accurate and consistent with what you intend to charge. Then write a product description that explains what the product is, what it does, and why someone would want it. Keep descriptions clear and useful. If you include details that help the customer make a decision, you will support better conversions. As you continue adding products, it helps to review each listing as you go. Confirm that the image is loading correctly, the price is displayed properly, and the description reads well. This careful check prevents issues that can be frustrating after you publish the store. If you have multiple products, working methodically ensures you do not miss important information. Once you have completed the product entries and you are satisfied with the overall design, return to the editor or theme area where you can finalize your changes. When you are ready, click Save. This step is essential because it applies your updates and ensures your storefront is using the latest version of your theme settings and content. After saving, take a quick look to confirm everything appears as expected. That is it. You have set up your Shopify store, customized the theme, added your products with images, prices, and descriptions, and saved your changes. That covers everything you need to know.